Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook in Grow a Garden cooking update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Grow a Garden has just dropped an update and then we'll be able to cook something in this update. We need to cook for this chef, the Chris chef, and then we can cook here. And as you can see that he's craving for sushi, and it will be better if we cook something that he is craving for so we can get rare reward. You can click on how do the rewards work. Okay, and okay, this is the explanation. The bigger the food you give him, the more rewards you will get. And then you can give him his craving to get rare reward. Okay, and then I'm going to cook sushi. Okay, if we want to cook sushi, we need corn. We need one corn. I'm going to submit corn, and then we need bamboo. We need 4 bamboo. So I'm going to search for bamboo. Okay, I'm going to submit 1 bamboo, and the second bamboo, third bamboo, and then the last bamboo. Okay, and then we can click on cook. All right, and then as you can see that now we're cooking for sushi, and we need to wait for about 5 minutes. And wait, let me pause my video and I'll be right back if the sushi is ready. Okay, finally guys, my sushi is done cooking, and then I'm going to click on get sushi, and then I'm going to go to my backpack and select this icon, and then I'm going to submit the sushi to Mr. Chris. I'm going to click on talk, and then we can click on try this food I cooked up. Right, and let's see what we get. Wow, I got 4 pens. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.